friends, it's your art teacher, Miss Barnett. In this week's lesson called Inventive Communication, we've been talking about the art form of graphic design. And graphic design is all around us. You can find it in packaging, on signs, on clothes, anything that is a communication with images and or words is graphic design. So we are going to be creating a very inventive project with our name today. So we're going to take a couple of minutes and practice writing our names with block letters. And I'll pause this video, and I've got an additional video to help support us learning that. And while we're practicing our names in block letters, I want you to think about how the shapes of your name and the spaces around your name can communicate a story. So what do these shapes and spaces of your letters look like, the positive and the negative shape? Then I'm going to go ahead and do mine real quick. I'm going to use my middle name for this project. You could use your first name, your middle name, your last name, but make sure it's your name. So I'm going to go ahead and make block letters with my name, and then we'll talk about how to add more. So you'll need a piece of paper and a pencil to start. Let's get going. All right, friends, so I've written my name in block letters. I played with the style and the size and the spacing of the letters to create an interesting composition. Now I want you to choose colors in which to fill in your letters of your name. I want you to think about your personality and ask yourself, what color do I think of when I say my name? Are you a fiery red or a calm blue or green or a cheery yellow? If you're not one of those colors, what color are you? What would you like to use to decorate your name? So I'm going to go ahead and pick some colors that represent my personality. I'm going to color in my letters, and you can watch. Here we go. All right, friends, now I want you to think about these spaces the negative spaces that we've left on the paper. How could you change each, think of the spaces between the letter and what they could add to your story. What could we put in here that shows more of your personality? You can change each letter and space by adding patterns and other details. So I'm going to start working on that. I want you to think about what's going to show your personality off in this picture. Let's get started. All right, friends, here's my completed Inventive Communication project. I can clearly see the letters of my name. The letters are made from shapes, and I have created lots of patterns and used lots of colors to reflect my personality. I hope you have just as much fun exploring graphic design as I did today, and I cannot wait to see what you make. Let's get started.